Sunday afternoon and it's 85 degrees. We have the wonderful job of having to wash landscaping rocks this weekend. Big nasty job, right? Takes forever, right? No, not anymore. I married an engineer. Here's what we got going. All right, washing rocks this Sunday afternoon. My husband, the engineer, has come up with some crazy inventions here to cut our time in half. As you can see, what we have right here, landscaping rocks with dirt. Justin went ahead and bought a steel aluminum trash can, cut holes in it, lined it with wire back. It basically sifts the dirt out. What's making this thing thin? A cement mill. All propped up and rigged up. We try to do the hard work for us. As you can see, most of the dirt falls back out, which we use to level the ground. 2 birds with 1 stone. So now this rock's kind of got most of the dirt out of it, right? This goes on to phase 2. What's phase 2, you ask? This goofy ass device is rigged up right here. All the way up to the treetop has this pulley system. Built this A-frame with 4 wire mesh at the bottom, so the wheelbarrow can dump this in and we can rinse this off and the mud flows through the mesh. So now we went from dirt with rocks to rocks with dirt, and pretty soon just rocks.